Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your phone number to the Wallapop application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the U icon down below, which is the last option. After that, tap on settings, click on verifications and security, then click on phone number, verify, then you need to type in your prefix and then your whole phone number. After that, click on the send free SMS button, and then the application will send you a verification code. Thereby you will be able to verify your phone number. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.